Want to know how to extract or download slides in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Kimi AI on your web browser. So once you have opened it up, you should be seeing this interface right here. So now once you're onto this interface, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch that. So once you have done that, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options. So the simply select your chat history that you had created your slides on. So it should be right here for me, and now this should be your slide. So you can just simply select edit and download right here, and your slides should open up. So once it opens up, here should be seen download right beside play. Just simply select that, and you should be good to go. Simply select download again, and you're good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.